In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, innovation continues to bring us a plethora of gadgets that enhance our lives without breaking the bank. From audio solutions to smart home conveniences, the realm of tech gadgets under $50 offers an array of options that deliver both utility and affordability. These ingenious creations prove that cutting-edge technology doesn't have to come at a premium price. Discover innovation on a budget with our curated list of the top 10 gadgets under $50. From wireless earbuds to smart home essentials, join us as we explore affordable tech that doesn't compromise on quality or convenience. Number 10. Logitech G432 Wired Gaming Headset. The Logitech G432 Wired Gaming Headset presents a gateway to immersive gaming experiences and dynamic audio encounters. Engineered with precision and designed for gamers seeking an edge, this headset seamlessly fuses comfort and performance. Equipped with powerful 50mm drivers, the G432 captures the minutest auditory nuances, allowing players to delve deep into their virtual worlds. The integrated DTS-X 2.0 technology further amplifies the audio landscape, delivering a multi-dimensional soundscape that enables precise awareness of in-game movements and environmental cues. Crafted with extended gaming sessions in mind, the G432 boasts a lightweight design that minimizes fatigue. The plush ear cups swaddle your ears, providing both noise isolation and comfort. Number 9. Amazfit Band 7. The Amazfit Band 7 encapsulates the synergy between advanced health monitoring and sleek wearable design. Engineered to empower individuals in their pursuit of wellness, this smart band delivers a comprehensive suite of features that seamlessly integrate into daily life. The vibrant and responsive touch display of the Amazfit Band 7 serves as a window to real-time health insights and notifications. The band's heart rate monitoring capabilities extend beyond mere tracking, providing users with a comprehensive understanding of their cardiovascular well-being. With its SpO2 measurement functionality, the band offers a glimpse into blood oxygen levels, contributing to a holistic overview of health. Its multi-sport tracking feature enables accurate monitoring of workouts, from brisk walks to rigorous gym sessions. Number 8. Chromecast with Google TV 4K. The Chromecast with Google TV 4K stands as the epitome of seamless entertainment integration and advanced streaming technology. Representing a paradigm shift in the world of media consumption, this compact device transforms any television into a gateway to a vast array of content. At the heart of the Chromecast with Google TV lies the power of 4K streaming, delivering stunning visuals with vibrant colors and sharp contrasts. The device's compatibility with High Dynamic Range, or HDR, enhances the visual experience, making every scene come to life with breathtaking realism. What truly sets the Chromecast with Google TV apart is its intuitive interface. With a voice remote, navigating this immersive ecosystem becomes effortless, enabling users to search for shows, adjust settings, and even control smart home devices using voice commands. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now, let's get back to our topic. Number 7. JBL Go 3. The JBL Go 3 encapsulates the harmonious convergence of compact design, vibrant sound, and portability. Crafted to resonate with music enthusiasts on the go, this portable speaker harmonizes impressive audio performance with an unmistakable sense of style. Despite its diminutive size, the JBL Go 3 packs a punch in the sound department. Engineered with JBL's renowned audio expertise, this speaker delivers crisp highs, resonant mids, and punchy lows, producing a balanced audio spectrum that defies its size. The Go 3's durable and eye-catching design makes a statement wherever it goes. Its compact form factor and waterproof construction enable it to accompany you on outdoor adventures, poolside gatherings, and even impromptu dance parties. Number 6. Epicka Universal Travel Adapter. The Epicka Universal Travel Adapter represents a pinnacle of convenience and adaptability for modern globetrotters. Crafted with a keen understanding of the diverse power outlets around the world, this versatile adapter is an essential tool for seamless connectivity and charging during international travels. Designed to accommodate a multitude of plug types, the Epicka Universal Travel Adapter ensures compatibility with outlets in over 150 countries. Its ingenious sliding mechanism allows you to effortlessly switch between different plug configurations, eliminating the need for carrying multiple adapters for various destinations. equipped with multiple USB ports. The adapter offers the convenience of charging multiple devices simultaneously. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, camera, or other electronic essentials, this adapter provides a centralized charging hub, streamlining your travel experience. Number 5. PowerUp 3.0 Smartphone-Controlled Paper Airplane. The PowerUp 3.0 Smartphone-Controlled Paper Airplane brings the age-old joy of paper airplanes into the digital era, fusing creativity and technology to create an innovative flying experience. At its core, the PowerUp 3.0 is a remarkable blend of nostalgia and modern engineering. Designed to turn an ordinary paper airplane into a remote-controlled marvel, this gadget transforms the simple act of folding paper into an interactive and exhilarating adventure. The setup is intuitive. Attach the PowerUp 3.0 module to a carefully crafted paper airplane, pairing it with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Once connected, you'll gain the power to control your paper creation with precision and finesse. Tilt your smartphone to steer, adjust the throttle, and even execute acrobatic maneuvers with the swipe of a finger. Number 4. Driveway Alarm, 1/2 mile long range. The Driveway Alarm, a 1/2 mile long range system, redefines security and vigilance, offering an advanced solution to monitor and safeguard your property. Designed with precision and a focus on expansive coverage, this alarm system empowers homeowners with unparalleled awareness and control. With a remarkable 1/2 mile range, the system provides a sweeping net of protection, extending its vigilance to cover vast driveways, pathways, and entry points. This extensive reach ensures that you remain informed of any movement or activity, offering an essential layer of security that spans considerable distances. The wireless connectivity eliminates the need for complex wiring, making it an accessible option for those seeking heightened security without the hassle. The system's receivers, equipped with audible and visual alerts, keep you informed even when you're inside your home. Number 3. Ticktime Pomodoro Timer. The Ticktime Pomodoro Timer embodies the essence of focused productivity and efficient time management. Rooted in the renowned Pomodoro technique, this innovative device empowers individuals to maximize their work sessions and maintain a balance between concentration and relaxation. Inspired by the philosophy of breaking tasks into manageable intervals, the Ticktime Pomodoro Timer aids users in structuring their work periods. Crafted to be a pocket-sized productivity companion, the Ticktime Pomodoro Timer is portable and lightweight. Its minimalist aesthetic complements any workspace, reflecting a commitment to simplicity and functionality. Its tactile feedback and LED indicators provide a sensory connection, enhancing the user experience. Number 2. Neon Glasses. Neon glasses stand as a vibrant and captivating fusion of fashion and technology. These eyewear pieces radiate a futuristic allure, infusing a touch of luminous charm into everyday style. Crafted with innovative LED technology, neon glasses illuminate in an array of vivid colors, casting a neon glow that instantly draws attention. This melding of fashion and illumination creates a unique statement, allowing wearers to express their individuality in an electrifying manner. Neon glasses often feature different lighting modes, enabling users to switch between steady glows, pulsating rhythms, and dynamic color patterns. With their wireless capabilities, these glasses can be controlled remotely, allowing wearers to customize the lighting according to their mood, occasion, or even the beat of the music. Number 1. LensCase Carbon Fiber Case. The LensCase Carbon Fiber Case redefines protection and elegance for photography aficionados. Merging cutting-edge materials with meticulous design, this case ensures your precious camera lenses remain secure while reflecting a sense of refined sophistication. Crafted from lightweight yet resilient carbon fiber, the LensCase Carbon Fiber Case strikes the perfect balance between durability and minimalism. Its robust construction shields your lenses from impacts, bumps, and other hazards that can occur during travel or storage. The interior of the case is meticulously lined with plush, soft materials, cradling your lenses with care and preventing scratches or abrasions. Customizable dividers further enhance the case's versatility, allowing you to arrange the interior to accommodate different lens sizes and accessories. The carbon fiber exterior exudes a sleek, textured finish that catches the light, adding a touch of visual intrigue. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you liked this video. We've conveniently placed all the links to these fantastic household gadgets right in the description below for you. Feel free to click through and discover your next favorite gadget, or perhaps find that unique gift for your gadget-loving pal. Enjoy exploring. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.